Hey y'all, welcome back. We're continuing on our crafting for Christmas. So I pulled out my Cricut Joy, and as you can see, I'm using the function where I am using my smart vinyl, and I'm cutting quite a few cuts here. So here is a cute little tumbler that I found at Walmart for $1. You cannot beat that price. So it's even better than the Dollar Tree pricing. So as you can see, I have cut in red and green. This cut file was already set up for that. I did tailor it a little bit to make it a little easier. So here I'm going to layer these so I can put them on the tumbler. So first I'm going to transfer the red and pick it up on some transfer tape here so that I can get them all together. I find it much easier to transfer these things, get them together, and then put them on a project. Now, every once in a while I might have to do it another way if something has a lot of tapers or something like that to it. But this tumbler is straight up and down. That's why I love it so much too, so that you can also make this super easy on yourself. So I'm pulling out a piece of parchment paper there, and what you do when you use this is you're going to leave a little bit of your transfer tape exposed at the top, and then you'll attach it to that and be able to have it all as one sheet then. So you can see there what I was doing, and then I slipped that parchment paper out, and it's so awesome that you can just put that on there, and then it doesn't stick, of course, because it's parchment paper. And you can just then burnish it down the back and the front both, and then you can pick them both up together. So I made 7 of these cups one night, and it did take a little bit because I was using 2 colors, but the payoff in the end I felt like was worth it. So here I am. I'm going to use my smart vinyl roll that's for my Maker 3 as a cup cradle. I will probably get a cup cradle one of these days. I just haven't yet. I had used this, and it does work. I mean, it's pretty cool for that. So I cleaned it with alcohol there, and I'm kind of using the straw a little bit inside. I used it to help me stay straight up and down. And I'm using, there's 2 small little wheel kind of things inside of this cup cradle to keep these all at the same height going across the cups. So not that they're ever going to be together after I take my final picture, but for me, I wanted to have them uniform. So I've got my transfer there on the front. Now I'm going to go about personalizing it on the back. So I've got my name cut out here that I wanted to put on, and I'll get it situated. And this is where I realized I really need to use that straw a little bit more. So I just place it, kind of centering it on the cup and trying to center it with the front design a little bit too. So then I have my final cup. So it did not take long at all. So you're seeing this sped up, but overall the whole transfer took about 4 minutes. So there it is, and there's the back, and then here they are all together. I really loved how they turned out, like I said, and here's the back of the other close up. And then I put a little bit of tissue paper inside to make that pop when I was giving them as gifts, and my recipients have already gotten these gifts. So I really, like I said, I really like these, and I think I need to make myself one. So thank you all for watching, and if you liked it, please give a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing and coming back for more videos, as it helps my channel. So thank you, and Merry Christmas.